YouTube, what's good? See how we pulled up? This is how we was feeling today. This is exactly how we pulled up. Everybody pulling up in something nice today. It's a nice day, kind of breezy. You feel me? It's kind of decent out here. My boy Kizzy, new car shop, new shit going on. You know what I'm saying? Excuse my French like always. You feel me? OG. Check us out when you get time, brother. Scan it with your camera. Nice car. I love that baby blue. So, yup, we here, man. Got my dog with me, so we about to run through it real quick, man. We gonna let y'all see what's good. I'm gonna take y'all through piece at a time because I don't want my phone to get hot, man. Stupid iPhones. Because y'all know it's summertime out here, so these phones get real hot. Your phone be doing that? Yeah. It be overheating. Nice truck. Oh, yeah. Got a nice little line up out here, don't we? Nice little line up. He shut the block down with this one. I've been waiting on this Cutlass for a long time, y'all. Y'all got to give us some time with some of these videos when we be cranking them out, man. Certain stuff, you know, got to go in certain directions. But I've been waiting on, y'all know I love them 72, 71 verts, dog. So y'all, you know what I mean? Y'all give me a little more time with certain stuff, you know? But yeah, this one of my favorites right here. I've been waiting a long time. Hey, Tone, Boone's Customs, get at me, man. What's up? What we doing, bro? What we doing, big dog?
Then they got a CTS insert.
Yeah. My boy Tone, man. The same seats we was just riding on, ain't it? Pretty much. Same seats we was riding on, big bro. I think this car, when it get done, is going back to Texas, if I believe. Michigan or Texas, one of the two. Y'all know what that is. That's from when we took it to the Scottsdale show. Nice Chevelle right here. Both Chevelles, actually. Both Chevelles. Y'all say what's up. It ain't official until he give you that logo stamp right there, bro. If you ain't got one of them SSR stamps, you ain't in the family yet. He probably mess around with KJ. He gonna probably tell you ain't spent enough money yet. Damn, that motor clean, ain't it? That's got to be fresh out the crate, the way that look. You know, replace all that, but that's nothing. Look at my boy Duke. Where my boy Duke at? Where you at, Big Duke? What's up, Detroit? What's up with it? You got to take me in a ride in this, man. We're going to have a video coming soon on this, man. I want y'all to, I'm going to introduce y'all to my boy Duke. Let him talk with y'all, you know what I'm saying? He going to teach y'all about the Chevelle game, because that's his thing. That's what he do. You feel me? Clean Elko. For all my Elko fans out there. You understand me? All my Elko fans out there. Trucks going crazy over there. Trucks going crazy. Let's get the trucks a little bit of love. Trucks going crazy. These are really popular. These two-door Tahoes. I remember my cousin growing up, he had one. It was real nice too. It wasn't you know, cleaned up like this, but it was in good shape when he bought it, you know. Show these trucks some love. Nice nice short bed right here, man. Wow. Spent some money on that, didn't he? What's them 32s? Nah, they 30s. This is really nice. Wow. Wow. Look like back in the day right here, dog. Who mama was getting picked up in high school in this? I dare you. I want to know something. Drop something in the comments, man. Who mama was getting picked up in this back in the day? Back in the 70s and 80s and whatever. Who? Nice turtle shell hard top. Y'all know I love my hard tops. Y'all be tripping about them T-tops all the time. I love them hard tops, my boy. When the light hit the ice, it twinkle and glisten. You heard me? Yeah. There go them nice headlights we all been buying. I've been getting my cousins to start buying these headlights. So we all been buying them. My boy in St. Louis, he sent me a pair. So now I got an extra set of those too. You feel me? Yes, sir. And you already know, man, the greatest lineup in the world. The greatest lineup in the world is what, y'all? Y'all know it's the Monties. The greatest lineup in the world. This one was for sale. I do remember that. I forgot how much. I'm gonna get y'all a price. What's up, cousin? It's all good. Chatting with you. What's up, bro? What's up? I like that hat too. Mine's got ruined. I need another one. What's up? Say what's up to my tube, man. Say what's good.
What's up?
What's up, YouTube? That's the car man right there. When he get a channel, y'all, I'm gonna throw him on game. You heard me? I'm gonna put a little bra on. He ready, little chain on, dripped out, draped up and dripped out. Let me see them kids. Yes, sir. Cuz be starting. G-Body Game. What's up, bro? So he got a trophy in there and everything. What's going on over here? Damn, he clean, ain't he? He clean, ain't he? What's going on with it? He's stupid clean. Okay, Kizzy. I see you stepping it up. Y'all remember when this one was in the shop on that old video? When it was empty? He cleaned it up nice. It's looking better now. Damn, Kizzy. I see you, big bruh. Look, here go his other one right here. Hey, he been stunting lately with all this red on me, y'all. You feel me? Y'all see I got my blue on a little bit. He been stunting on me with this red, ain't he? Cuz been stunting on me. Yeah, all right, I see you, bruh. Everything painted, everything looking touched. You feel me? And I see new shop, new space, new low. You did? Raffle tickets, I don't know what's going on with that one. Let me step out the way so y'all can see. Yeah, new location. My dog got his dunk over there. We gonna talk. We gonna run that though. We gonna run that dunk situation in a little minute though, but I'm gonna give y'all some hits. Yes, sir. Big LS. Big stupid wires in that boy. You know he's slamming. I forgot what he said was up in there, but we gonna I'll catch all y'all details for y'all another day. You feel me? My boy La Toxica is coming soon. You feel me? Don't worry, big bro. You on your way. You on your way, bro. Don't trip, my dog. Don't even trip, bro. Shout out to my boy Tone on the interior, man. Beautiful interior. I'm gonna give y'all more detail on that soon. You feel me? Y'all watch out for that. I'm just running it with y'all. Yeah, that aluminum tank.
Don't never crack.
Never crack. You ain't got to worry about it no more. Good job, brother. Good job. Good job, Kizzy. Good job, man. I love coming to see you, bro. Good job, man. This dude, man, he always stepping it up every time. I swear. This is nice. Whoa, when the last time y'all seen some Lexanis? When the last time you seen some Lexanis, bro? The last time you seen some Lexanis, dog?
There ain't no IROX.
Nah, there ain't no IROX, cuz. What up? Yeah. Yeah, everybody coming through. The food truck here. You feel me? So we gonna eat good later too. You feel me? Kizzy's he been working on both of these. I think he's still working on these. I forgot. He got at least 4 of them. See, now I'm getting caught up in my own thoughts. You feel me? What's up, big dude? What's up with y'all? What to do?
What's going on with you?
See y'all players in the shade. What's up with you?
What's up, dog?
It's all good. How you been?
Chilling, man. You?
Hustling. We should have brought umbrellas if it was like that. It ain't that hot though. Y'all hot for real? It ain't that hot. I ain't stand in the sun for free. Dude, stupid. Woo, that 383. Y'all know what it is when y'all see my boy Duke, man. We gonna run it, man. We gotta keep running it, man. We gotta keep going. I like the way the stance is on this one. You see this one, bro? I like the way that thing's sitting a little bit. I'm tired of seeing cars squatted, bro. I like seeing it stance where it got that muscle to it, like it still got that aggression. That's that when it be sitting low in the back, make me feel like you trying to be a little pretty. Like, you know what I mean? Look at me. You feel me? You still got that muscle in it. You did. So this got a 454 in it though. I don't know what this situation going on is right here, but he got a 454 in that boy. He ain't playing. So yeah, man, I had to let me holler at my dogs, man. You know, chop it over my people. Now I'll get back with y'all. We'll end this video in a little minute. I'll be right back. All right, so when you come in the front door, this is what you will be greeted by. The computer setup and all that'll probably be right here, whatever. He got crate engines going for sale. I do know that for sure. That's a guarantee. So you want a crate motor, just holler at Big Bruh. You feel me? He'll get you together. Here goes some examples of some motors. Come get you a block. You know, holler at him and ask him what's for sale. You dig? That's where we at right now. Here go the contact info. You already know all about that SuperSport. Crate motors going down. Might be a barbershop over there, I'm not sure. Let me zoom out. Take y'all to the back block so y'all can see how it's going down. You feel me? 87 up there. Nice Impala down here. All American chassis. Built, not bought. Y'all see those beautiful wheels? Built, not bought, baby. My dog got a lift. I love it. Back to the truck. A lot of work going to these things, y'all. Y'all gotta appreciate it. And what we want to do, man, is we want to start having shows up here once a month. That way everybody got something to come pull up to. Every weekend to be something to do. Got the Caprice on them things. Nice little LED lighting in there. Steering wheel. My dog Hubba right here, man. This is Bird. He been trying to get this thing going for a while now. Y'all go back on my channel, y'all see it. So I'm gonna definitely shoot something with him and get that content with him so y'all can holler at him and, you know, really see what's going on with him. You dig? Bro, I think this thing come a long way too, for sure, you know? Just from where it used to be to where it's at now. How he been running and rolling. He been rolling ever since. He even got the seat lean back already, boy. So you know it's been going down. You know. Say, big bro, once a month, right? You want to do this once a month? All right, once a month. That's how we gonna do it, bro. So, Bird, don't own them things. Y'all just see it, bro. See it drop, Vert. He got two of them actually. That green one out there across the parking lot is his too. So, all right, man. This is SuperSport Restorations. I just wanted to give y'all a quick one. You feel me? I'm about to go ahead and go kick it. I need to enjoy myself. Peace. Y'all see it? Scoot up, bro. You see this? All he did was back up and park, bro. He literally backed up and parked. This one of his other ones. And boom, we standing right here, we chopping it up, I'm talking to Cuz. We standing right here chopping it up, and he like, bro, I'm thinking it's the air compressor from the food trucks. Dog, this shit really blew out just now. Crazy work, son. Crazy work. But as y'all see, food truck, smoke something barbecue, food truck going down. They got a little bit of everything. Shirts for sale. Hey, bro, come here. Let me see that shirt. Shirts for sale. Front and back. Yeah. Shirts for sale. So y'all know it, $30. Smoke some barbecue. Meant to show y'all the food. Prices. Catering available. You know what I'm saying? Meant to show y'all the food. Voodoo's Wicked Chicken. Going down. Nice prices, right? Nice prices, right? Oh man, look at this, y'all. Ooh, Sunday dinner, you gotta, woo, that look good. Ooh, well, spicy beach, spicy beach. You don't see that often. I know that's right. Voodoo's Wicked Chicken. Price is going down. Mr. Air Fryer. Y'all get in contact with them. Nice little food truck. Camaro's pulling up. Everybody's still pulling up. Everybody enjoying themselves. You know. Everything is everything, man. I just had to put y'all on with the food truck game so y'all can see it. We want to do, like my OG said, we want to do these events once every couple months. That's how we want to do it. And we want to add more G-bodies into the game and have more G-bodies here. And, you know, fill up the whole parking lot. You know, that side, they just moving out right now. So that whole side gonna be empty right there. And just, you know, more cars, y'all, more cars. So if y'all see this video, like, share, comment, subscribe. And, yeah, let's get it, man. Let's have more people filling up the gap right here. Let's do that, man. Y'all support the channel. And getting back to it, man. We turning up, man. We really turning up all 2024. All 2025 is going down. You know what I mean? All right.